On a bowl, add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Make a hole in the middle and add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Add 200 ml of water and 200 ml milk. Also, I added 6 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. I add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Mix them all together to form a dough. Partially, I start kneading. Add shortening or oil and transfer the dough to grow. Form a rounded shape and cover it with cloth, or you can just use cling wrap. I set it aside for around 45 minutes, or it depends on your room temperature. Sometimes 30 minutes. Cover it until it doubled in size. This is how it looked like after. I knead it shortly for around 2 minutes and cover it again and set it for another 5 minutes. Now the dough is ready. Before kneading, add generous amount of all-purpose flour to stick the dough. Once it becomes smooth, divide into pieces and start the filling. To start, flatten the small size of dough and start adding the filling. I use sweet coconut filling. I put on the link below description on how to make this delicious coconut filling. Follow this procedure. Lock the dough properly and roll them into this shape. Need to close properly. Repeat this procedure to finish all the tiny dough, and then before cooking, let it go for around 10 minutes. Start the frying. On a frying pan, add oil, enough to float our dough. Once it reaches the boiling point, start frying. Fry both sides until golden brown or light golden brown, and then remove them from the oil. I use a strainer to remove some excess oil. Continue frying. Once start float on the other side, flip to make it light brown. You can steam these also, or you can bake, but I love to fry them. It's easier and also crispy. Once all done, move them on a plate and sprinkle some icing sugar, or you can add honey or any jam on top. But I like icing sugar. This is delicious snack and easier to make. I will show you how it looks like inside. On the outside, the skin is crispy and very soft inside. Hope you enjoy my recipe today. Please try it someday. Comment down below. Please share and please subscribe on my channel. See you again next time. Bye bye.